Okay, we're in the lava now. This is where that previous project where I wanted to be for this one. This is a lot of super glue. Not super glue. This is a lot of hot glue, man. I'll get some better shots here in a second, but this was a pretty big piece. I thought I got crazy. Oh shit! There, Batman just lost the fight. I got silly with the bottom down here. Let me see if I can get a back shot. I don't know if I can get it all in there or not, but you get the idea. Let's start down here. Probably should have used a gloss with that, but I didn't. I just left it like it was, and I just painted it, to be honest with you. Got a little burnt in there. It's a little dark. A little burnt. This time I went a little darker, a little burnt, like it was like everything singed and hot and burning upside down. Just some hot glue on a stick upside down. Let it dry, then flip it back up and stick it in the foam. Same thing with the tube. This is all foam. This is all paper foam shit. Little rocks and stuff. But I wanted a Batman versus Superman in traditional colors. So this is the Batman 3 Jokers. This is the Superman. I don't remember, but I know the belt's wrong for a traditional Superman, but I was happy enough. It was a darker blue. I completely went and I did some shading stuff. I get some close-ups here in a minute. Some shadings, but the head sculpt is from the newest Superman. I don't know the name of it, the newest Superman, but I had the original head sculpt on here. Let me get it. Hold on. So this Superman, this head sculpt, it's a good head sculpt. It's a great Superman head sculpt. I like it. This head sculpt was on there because this head sculpt came with that. It was a good head sculpt, but he just looked like he was like not pissed off. But this is the one that came. This is the latest Superman with the emblem on his back. Can't remember the name of it, but I got this from McFarlane's toy store. This is a great Superman. I figured with this head sculpt from that Superman on this body is my definitive Superman so far. The belt's perfect. This emblem on the back's perfect. Anyway, outside of that, this head sculpt that head sculpt was on here. That head sculpt was on there. Now that he looks pissed off, it was perfect for what I needed it for. He's mad as hell. See, he's gonna throw that shit at Batman and tear his ass up. All I did was here on the boulder is hot glued it in a chain in there, made a boulder, put some wire in his hand, I drilled a hole through the hand, the actual hand, right there, and put the wire through it, and then came over here to Batman. This is probably my favorite Batman so far from McFarlane Toys. Of course, he was black where he was blue, and I went lighter with the gray. And I made this is also hot glue. Hot glued that on there upside down, and I did use some transparent green for that right there. Here's where I thought I was going to start getting deeper with stuff. Start coming up with different things. Kind of get out of the box. But yeah, man, that's it. That's it right there. I'll put the link in the description if you want to see how it was built. I do have a tutorial how I built this thing. It's not that big a deal. Anybody can do it. And well, I appreciate you guys for watching. Until the next video. I think this was number 10. I think so. Yeah, number 10. This is my 10th custom.